everyone, and welcome to Heidi's Home. Today is a giant, mega, massive Aldi haul that I did. And thanks to our good friend Danny, he supplied the transportation and also the help bagging all this stuff and carrying it into the house. So Danny Krause, if you are watching, thank you so much. Ronnie and I both appreciate you. So can you guys see all this stuff? And I also have 3 ice cream products in the freezer that I had to get in there right away. And I will share that with you so you guys know what I like to buy from over there. So here we go. We've got, now I gotta say a couple things. First thing is we are having a birthday party for Ronnie this month. So that's the reason why you might see multiples of a couple things. The other thing is that if you are new to my channel, hello, I'm Heidi. My husband's name is Ron, and we are both visually impaired. My husband is completely blind, and I'm legally blind, and so we depend on public transportation or transportation of a friend to get stocked up on things. And so if I run out of mayo, I can't just hop in a car and just go get the mayo. I actually have to plan out transportation. So it's time to stock up again. My pantry is light. We went through the holidays. You're hearing my husband's bird clock. That's a loud one, isn't it?
It sure is.
So anyways, he has a clock with birds. I got him for Christmas, and every single hour is a different bird sound. So you are hearing the, what time is it? 2 o'clock bird sound today. So I'm going to show you quickly, what I was saying was there's going to be multiples of things because to be stocked up so we don't run out, and things, especially things that we use on a regular basis that is non-perishable. That's a mouthful. So we're going to start over here with meat. And I got stocked up. One of these family trays is for Ron's birthday party, and the other one is for ours. If you've been watching me for a while, you know I buy the family packs, and then I split it up. I also have 2 things of hot Italian sausage. I use it in about everything because we love spicy food and we like things with a lot of flavor. A whole chicken, as well as some chicken legs that's right there. And that is all the meat that I bought other than some lunch meat, which you'll see here in a minute. 2 cocktail sauces that going in the pantry. Also got some of these peppers. We love these with pizza and just about everything. I was completely out of honey, so I bought a thing of honey. These are a jar of jalapeno slices because we will be having, basically Ronnie's birthday party will be like last year's. He loved it so much, we just decided everybody loved it, and we're just going to do a redo. And it's going to be all Mexican food themed. So we're going to have nacho bar, taco bar. So there's going to be lots of peppers and that kind of thing. Another thing of jalapenos. And 2 jars of the dill pickle spears. 3 salsas. This is the medium salsa. Also, my favorite spaghetti sauce of all time is their mushroom. It is the green lid. So if you go in there, I specifically look for the green lid, and then I know that that's the mushroom sauce. Vegetable oil, sauerkraut, mayonnaise, olive oil, flour. This is just their unbleached all-purpose flour. This is high pulp orange juice. Here's another thing of pepperoncinis. These are the slices, and what you've seen over there was the whole peppers. Ketchup, a thing of non-stick cooking spray. I wasn't out, but I went ahead and grabbed it because I will be making cupcakes and stuff for his party, and just in case I needed it. Also, too, we've got some cocoa, baking cocoa. This is like the Hershey, but it's their brand. 2 things of canned biscuits because we like our breakfast. Some ham. This is just lunch meat. 2 things of mozzarella cheese right here. And this is the big giant one of mozzarella cheese. It's got 8 cups per bag, as well as some pepper jack slices for sandwiches. I love their pepper jack cheese, and once that gets opened, it's very hard for me to stay out of the package because I like it that much. These are their brand of the Kraft singles, and these are really good, so I got a pack of those. Thing of sour cream. Now, I go through a lot of yeast because I like to make bread, cinnamon rolls, pizza dough. So I got 3 things of active dry yeast. I just keep this in my freezer, and it keeps. We got, well, both sides were turned around. We got a few of the taco seasoning, obviously, because we're having tacos. And there's also, if I can find it in this bunch, here it is, some ranch seasoning. So I'm stocking up on those things in the pantry. A dozen eggs, anybody wants to know, $4.48 a dozen. That's crazy. 4 years ago, I was walking into Aldi's paying 79 cents. That is quite an increase, and it's sad. We've got some lettuce. Let us pray. Let us stand. Some mushrooms. I'm going to be sharing a recipe video with you all. Be looking for it for stuffed mushrooms. I posted a picture on my Instagram. Everybody wants to know how I make them. So there will be a video coming out probably next week for that. So that will be really good. We've got some more mushroom. This is mushroom spaghetti sauce. See the green lids? And I'm going to set these over here so they're out of the way. It's a lot of little items through here. We've got Crisco back here. We've got grapes, 2 bags of spinach. That's my stevia. I put that in my iced tea. Down here we have canned food. So we got a couple things of the Rotel. That's their brand. Some kidney beans and black beans, which I purchased today. Some potatoes. Let's see what this one is. These are the black beans. So I got a couple of each. There is some, that's another potato. And I needed some diced tomatoes. I've got 2 of those. That's for a recipe that you will be seeing soon. Another Rotel. And I did get a couple evaporated milks. So that's the equivalent of all the canned food. I got some bananas. I'm the only one in the house that eats them. Some broccoli. Love my broccoli. I'm going to be doing some new things with that. I've got 2 of the cucumbers here. Let's see. We got some more carrots. And 2 things of these cherry tomatoes. So I got this one, and I also got that one right there as well. We've got a Parmesan cheese. This is a unsweetened applesauce. I love applesauce. I like it unsweetened. It doesn't have to have cinnamon in it. I just love applesauce. Let's see what we got here. We got some black pepper and some garlic powder. Italian seasoning. I am really running low on my seasonings. Some more Italian seasoning. Some more. This is minced onion. I had to look at it close. Minced onion. A minced onion. And another garlic powder. So I got 2 of each one that I needed. We got a jambalaya spicy rice mix. We've got 2 double food cake mixes here. Another ketchup. This is another sweetened applesauce. Here's another mushroom spaghetti sauce. We really stocked up on the spaghetti sauces today. Apparently, I really love this spaghetti sauce. And then some oyster crackers. We've got 2 Italian salad dressings. And here's the other one. 2 of this barbecue sauce. Another olive oil. try to turn it around here. Olive oil, a mayo, 2 things of Worcestershire sauce, and a thing of ranch dressing. And way in the back here. Let me move this chair out of my way. You're gonna hear screeching. Okay, I can't get in. So I got these bars, fruit and grain, for the gym, just to take in my bag. Also, this sweet and salty nut bars. Another sweet and salty nut bar, but these are the almonds. 2 white cake mixes for Ronnie's birthday party. 2 things of spaghetti noodles. I don't know, but I've never seen it in this size before. Usually they're half boxes, so I got 2 of the big. And then the oven-ready lasagna noodles. That's right there. Whew, I'm getting out of breath. So we got 2 jumbo things of tortilla chips for the birthday party, as well as, what I tell you, 12 boxes of taco shells. And not all of these are for the party. I just went ahead and bought a case because I think 5 of them is going to be for the party, and the rest we'll have on hand because we usually eat tacos once a week. So those will get utilized.
We eat lots of tacos.
Lots of tacos. 10-pound bag of russet potatoes and a bag of onions. You can't ever go wrong with your potatoes and onions. Real quick, I'm going to show you guys the ice cream. So we got the sundae cones, so good. And then I've been dying for some popsicles, and I got these strawberry ones, as well as these pineapple ones. And I just thought, yep, that sounds so good. So yeah, that's it. And if you want to know how much this cost, too much. It was $307. For all of this. So if you guys want to know what I spent today, so because I know a lot of people live in different areas, things are priced differently, and yeah, it's very expensive. So I spent $307 today. Yesterday I went to Walmart. I felt like I came out of there with really not much, and I spent $67. But I did buy coffee and things that I don't get at Aldi's, a gallon of milk, that kind of thing yesterday. So this is my Aldi haul. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing everything that I bought. It was fun packing it up, and it was fun bringing it in. So now I have to put it away. So I hope you guys have a wonderful, blessed day when you see this. Hope you all are doing well. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, and I will be seeing you really, really soon. Take care, guys.